So, hello, kasama po natin si
Mr. Dante Mariano.
Mr. Dante Mariano. Nice to meet you po. Ako po si Tommy James Canlas at we are guest for tonight's video. So, ang first question lang po natin is, how do you express your attraction, love, and commitment towards others during your teenage years? So, ano po, ng panahon nyo po, paano nyo po na-express yung attraction nyo po, love, and commitment ng, ayun nga po, ng binata pa po. Yun.
So, ang love kasi medyo sa kabataan mahirap i-express, no? Kasi kumbaga ang kabataan ay sabi nga mapusok, ano?
Mapusok.
Kumbaga walang tawag dito, direksyon yung kanyang mga damdamin.
Yes po.
Pero ang pag-ibig ay napakahalaga nito. Mahalaga siya na maipadama ng isang tao sa kanyang kapwa. Dahil ang pag-ibig, sabi nga siya yung kumukumpleto talaga sa buhay ng tao. Sapagkat kung walang pag-ibig, ang lahat ng mga bagay parang nawawalan ng kabuluhan. So, ma-express mo ito sa tao, kumbaga hindi mo lang talaga sinasabi na mahal mo ang isang tao.
Hindi lang po.
So, dapat ay magpapakita ka rin ng action. Kumbaga love without action ay parang wala siyang kwenta. So, dapat talaga pag sinabi mo mahal mo siya, ay meron kang gagawin para sa kanya. Kumbaga handa kang ibigay yung mga bagay na parang mahirap para sa isang tao. So, pagdating naman dun sa commitment, ang salita kasing commitment talagang medyo mabigat yan, ano? Kumbaga yan ay pagtatalaga ng, sabihin natin, ng sarili. Iko-commit mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga kahit na napakahirap niyan, talagang ibibigay mo yung sarili mo para doon sa commitment mo sa isang tao, lalo na sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kumbaga gagawa ka ng isang bagay na talagang mararamdaman nila, no? Yun yung tinatawag na commitment. Kumbaga kahit na anong hirap, gagawin mo yan kasi yun ay sabihin, kasi yun yung commitment mo talaga. Kumbaga meron kang pagsisikap na gagawin sa mga bagay na ito. Siguro yun yung aking pananaw sa ilang mga kahalagahan nito tungkol sa pagmamahal, tungkol doon sa tinatawag nating commitment.
Thank you po. Marami pong salamat.
Alright, for our second guest for today's video is my mom, my beautiful mom. So, the question for you is, what have you experienced from the past and what are your observations in today's generation on their ways of showing and expressing attraction, love, and commitment with others?
As a parent, during our teenage years, we were conservative. Since we were raised in the province, we usually receive notes from someone who has a crush on us. They write love letters, then you respond that letter, whether it's a yes or not. The house is the meeting place, not somewhere else. They would usually ask permission from our parents if they want to court us. Going out on a date can be done only if you are in a relationship for at least months.
Months lang. Okay.
So it takes time for a man to date a woman. Parents are protective and education is the priority.
Oh, priority pala.
So we're always told that get a job first or finish your school, find a job. That's the time you can put up a family. Marriage is a requirement before a man and a woman would be together in one house.
Alright.
Another experience was what when I visited my aunt in her hometown, I experienced a group of teenagers doing the harana.
Harana ko pala, no?
And you have to let them in and sing with them too as a sign of respect for their visit in the house. Today, teenagers are entirely different because of social media.
Social media.
So getting into a relationship is so volatile.
Volatile?
You can actually have a girlfriend without meeting personally that person. You can also hide your identity so as to fool people. You can look younger in your profile, but actually, in person, you are not.
Okay.
As a parent, it is still our responsibility to instill to our kids the value of relationship and sanctity of marriage, since this is the teaching of the Catholic Church.
Alright.
After hearing those two opinions nga po, galing kay Pastor at kay Mama, natutunan ko na ang pagmamahal ay hindi madali at ang love relationship ay hindi basta-bastang ginagawa at kinukumit. Marami po tayong pinagdadaanan at sa pinagdadaanan na iyon at marami tayong pagsubok. So sa pagsubok natin sa buhay, lahat ito ay raranasan natin at sana masolusyonan po natin ito dahil ang attraction, love, and commitment po ay isa sa mga pinakamahirap na pagsubok sa buhay dahil nasusugal mo ang iyong sarili.